Hey guys, Eric here, coming with a quick video here. I thought it was important to show this item here because there's many times that I've gone to a gas station, try to put air in my tires, and you're fighting with the idea, is this thing even work to inflate the tire, or you've got an allotted amount of time and you may have to spend more money on it. Just do yourself a favor and get yourself, what I got here was just a tire inflator, and the nice part about it is it's digital. Everything's digital nowadays. It makes things a lot easier, and it'll take a lot less time and pressure when it comes to putting air in your tires. So here it is here. It is a digital inflator. So here's what I like about it. You can actually put the number, the PSI that you want to target, and then once it hits that, it actually turns off. And I'm going to show you how that works here. Okay, so I went ahead and I took this piece here and I put it in where the valve stem is, and if you look here, it's digital. It says 34 PSI, and let's go ahead and put it on 35, and then it should stop at 35. There's your button there to turn it on. And it just stopped. Another neat thing about this, it's dark outside. Maybe you want to use the light in the front. Of course, you can't see anything's too light out right now, but that's another great option. And this is made by Slime. So again, a great thing to do and to have in the car, especially if you do have a slow leak in your tire, which in fact one of my tires does have a slow leak. I just am not going to get another one right now. So using something like this is great. Just keep it in the back seat, keep it available. It's very easy to use, very user friendly. I like the digital interface. I like the fact that you can set it on a setting and it will stop as soon as it gets to that amount of PSI and pressure with the air in the tires there. If you'd like to get something like this, just check out the description box in the video and you can pick up one of your own today. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.